Welcome to Homemady, the app for taking away homemade food. Browse through our genuine home cooks and select your favorite food or the food you are currently craving for. For example, sushi. Add quantity to add the item to your cart. When you have added all the items you need to the cart, then continue to checkout. You can also add a tip for the rider if you want to. Note that you will get one free delivery every 10 orders. Tap Checkout. Now you can select the delivery method, either delivery to your home or collection at the cook's home. You can also add instructions for the rider for a smooth delivery, and give additional instructions to the cook. Make sure to select the correct delivery address and select your debit or credit card. When you are ready, tap on Place Order, sit back and wait for your food to be delivered at your doorstep in minutes. You will see a notification that your order has been placed. You can check the cook and rider details and phone numbers, in case you need to contact them, but usually you will not need to. You will receive notifications when the order has been collected by the rider and when the rider is at your door for delivery. So what else to say? Enjoy real homemade food seamlessly.